This afternoon, I have the privilege of chatting with royalty, the super talented singer, songwriter, Skip Marley. Thanks for joining us on Loud Radio PA.
Yeah, man. Thank you for having me, brother, man.
One love, one Jamaica, one mission. Now, the Bob and Rita Marley Foundation have launched a dedicated effort to help support Jamaicans rebuild their homes, their lives, and their communities after Hurricane Melissa. And so far, the foundation has helped several families across the nation.
We've served out about around 300,000 meals by now. It's St. Angela and Westmoreland, all over. But St. Anne, yes, of course, we've already helped around, I believe, 2,000 families. Wow. This is all, also as well through our partners, the Global Empowerment Mission. They're the ones on the ground facilitating. So we really give thanks for everyone involved and give thanks for the love and support so far. Yeah.
How can people here in PA or here in the U.S. help with the relief efforts?
We have a GoFundMe also, but you can also just send, doesn't have to be money, clothes, tents, food, water.
To get the GoFundMe link and find other ways that you can help, visit bobmarleyfoundation.org. I love the fact that a lot of celebrities, musicians are stepping up to the plate as well, lending a hand.
I believe a lot of musicians have assisted. Well, I know one for sure, certain 21 Savage, that was huge, you know what I mean? And enough to mention.
One thing I really admire about the Marley family is you've made philanthropy a big part of your legacy, just as much as music.
That is our family. From my bond, that's for me and my grandfather. For my grandmother, my example in my life, watching my grandma Rita, sense of community, a sense of humanity, a sense of selflessness, the humility. You know what I mean? All these things we go and see, a sense of charity.
I was reading earlier that the Bob and Rita Marley Foundation doesn't just serve the people of Jamaica, they help people in other countries.
It's a worldwide mission through the Bob and Rita Marley Foundation, and that is the principles instilled into us now, in this generation here, my gen. Not only when is needed, our fellow human being, our fellow brother or sister.
Every dollar and every act of kindness donated makes a real difference. Join us as we help the people of Jamaica rebuild and heal. The visuals for your new music video, Our Sight, are amazing, and it shows Jamaica's culture and how strong and resilient the people of Jamaica are.
Thank you, brother, man. Thank you. You have a crew that can help bring the vision of the tune to life. Makes it very easy.
Obviously, the tourism industry is huge down there.
I know Bob Marley Museum is open.
I remember visiting that museum back in 2007 when all you needed was a driver's license to visit Jamaica. Amazing coffee out there.
Yes, man. Nice.
Skip Marley, thank you so much for making time today to chat with me, to talk to us here in PA about the Bob and Rita Marley Foundation's relief efforts to help those affected by Hurricane Melissa. Thank you so much for your time. Use the hashtag #OneLoveInAction for more info. Skip Marley, once again, thank you so much for your time today.
Yeah, man. Blessed love. Yeah, man. Likewise.